Oh, time for the messy graham crackers. Okay, so we're gonna unbox these two little Furblets. We got May and Greenie-Meanie. I really wanted this one because I love Greenie-Meanie. He's so cute. Little punk Furby.
Me too. I really want to keep him.
And then we have the Aurora Furby Alice Galaxy Furby, the new 2023. This one supposedly glows in the dark, so we're gonna see. Somebody said they used a UV flashlight to make it shine brighter. But yeah, it says it glows in the dark. And I think they painted it too, so that it just painted to glow in the dark. So there we go. We're gonna unbox these two. I'm not gonna wait for anybody else to come because I don't know how many people will actually show up anyway. Kind of out of the blue.
Let's do this one. First, we're going to unbox this one.
You really shouldn't talk with food in your mouth. It's hard to understand you. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this one. First, hi, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're gonna open these two. We're gonna unbox these guys. And how the heck do you open it? I can cut open the sides. Here, excuse me, sir. I can grab my scissors. Oh.
First, we have to cut open. Don't watch this part.
Don't watch this part? Why? Is it too dangerous?
It is too dangerous, okay?
Have an adult do this.
Don't have a kid do it.
Yeah, only adults.
Only adults can do it. Okay?
Oh. Maybe. Oh no, it opens on the side. I see it. I see. I see now. Good lord, how much tape is on this thing?
So much, I think.
They taped every side. Okay. Open it from the side. Oh. First one out. There's May. Oh, so cute. There's the instructions. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. There's Greenie-Meanie. Whoa. What? He's so emo. He's so emo. It's cute.
Oh.
Do it in front of the camera, though. Over here. I'm gonna try and look and see what he's supposed to be.
Like we can bring them to school.
Harmonize together.
Oh,
you hold the beaks down for 3 seconds and they sing together? Are they doing it? Wow. He's so cute. I love his little song. Music. Pretend food speaks.
it's only this
It
one.
doesn't tell me what kind of music. Here, let me see. Let me see.
Try it.
Oh. Maybe he's not responding. She's got little bows in her eyes and he's got little skulls. How cute! They're so adorable. It's 4 a.m. I cannot hear you because I won't turn up my volume. Oh, geez. Yeah, that's really, really early. Okay, let me see.
That's how he eats.
Why is May? Oh, it's the same song, but in a higher pitch.
Is that incredible?
AJ, quit moving it. I think that is really cute.
This one is the cute.